Open house Sunday 12 to 3 p.m. Looking for the perfect home for entertaining? Look no further. This gorgeous 4-bedroom, 3-bath home has it all. The home sits on over a quarter acre in a cul-de-sac, and the backyard has more than enough space to add a pool and create the perfect oasis. The extended patio gives you the space and shade needed for outdoor entertaining. Inside, the open floor plan features a kitchen with beautiful granite counters and white cabinets and gas cooktop. The master bedroom has a bay window, and the bathroom features a granite double vanity, garden tub, and separate tiled shower with 2 shower heads. One is a rain shower head. A second bedroom is located on the first floor with a full bath next to it, perfect for your overnight guest. Upstairs you will find a spacious game room and a large media room. The media room comes with the screen, and 7.1 surround sound speakers. The home has abundant storage to include the oversized 2-car garage. If that is not enough, the home has a solar power system installed. The average electric bill, excluding gas, was $60.